Let's speak about creatine today, one of the most popular natural supplements that natural athletes are taking. Not only natural athletes, also enchants. So it's really known that creatine is giving a lot of benefits, and the newest and most recent studies have also confirmed that. So let's start one by one. I can tell you from my honest opinion and from my personal experience as someone who is in this bodybuilding competitive sports for more than 25 years. By the way, hi there, my name is Boris Kish. I'm an IBB certified licensed fitness coach, nutritionist, and super heavyweight competitor in the category over 100 kilograms. Number one, when you take creatine, you feel really enormous amount of strength during the workouts. Doesn't matter which sport are you doing, but you can definitely feel that you can do more repetitions and that you can put more weight, because the creatine is putting water inside of the muscles, and therefore it is hydrating the muscle, and the muscle can, do much more endurance than without it. I definitely felt huge difference when I took it. I took it mostly when I was natural. Now I'm not natural, but I'm taking something else that I will tell you at the end of the video, so please stay till the end. Number two is that the muscles are going to look bigger and fuller when you take creatine. Everybody felt that. If you never took it, this is the first thing that you're going to be able to notice. So the muscle is by default bigger, fuller, and you look visually twice as big than when you didn't took it. The good thing about this is that creatine is putting all that water inside of the muscles that is necessary for the muscle to perform. Don't forget that our muscles are 80% around water, and therefore it's really good for the muscle that is going to contain all that additional water. And with more water, the muscle will be, as I said, be more hydrated, and you will be able to perform better. You will be able to do much more repetition, which is the goal. More strength, more repetition, more, engagement for the recovery. After that, the brain is going to give signal to the body that the body needs to recover to be stronger next time, and therefore, because of all that effect, you will be able to put more muscle mass on you at the end of the process. Number three, is creatine unhealthy? Creatine is 100% healthy. There are no studies that show that creatine is going to give any kind of negative effects on your body. It can be only unhealthy if you already had some issues with the kidneys, but if you didn't, it's completely safe to take up to 5, 10, I would even say 20 grams of creatine on the long run. Nothing negative is 100% going to occur when you take creatine. Number four is how you're supposed to take creatine. Creatine you're supposed to take 5 grams, I would say, before the workout, 5 grams after the workout. If you're a bigger athlete like I am, if you are 110, 20, 30 kilograms, I would say that you need 10 grams before and 10 grams after the workout. You can also do the loading phase, that is 1 week, where you're supposed to take 20 grams every day. You can go up to 30 grams every day, and then you're just going to have to go to the maintain phase, that is 5 to 10 grams daily till you drink it all. And how long can you take creatine? Creatine you can take as long as you want. You don't have to do breaks if you don't want to do them. Number five is, why do we have to take creatine? Because you cannot take enough creatine only from food sources. You have to take at least 1 kilogram of red meat per day only for 5 grams of creatine. And that is huge amount. I mean, that would be like 2 kilograms of steaks every day, or 4 pounds for the amount of 10 grams of creatine. Therefore, if you're dieting or if you're vegan, it's much better to take 5, 10, 20 grams of creatine daily than to have to put all that meat inside of you. I mean, even if you are able to take all that meat. I would, recommend that you don't take that huge amount of meat every day, especially the red one, because it's not so healthy. Therefore, take the creatine. Number 6 is it helps the brain for its cognitive function. You will be able to memorize more, you will be able to perform much more mentally, and you will be able to do some difficult tasks much more. Of course, creatine is not going to replace the proper sleep and nutrition and the training, but if everything is combined, and as I'm pretty sure that it will be, you will see the also huge performance in your mental, cognitive, brain capacity, and that you will be able, as I said, to go to school, to go to study, and to perform your daily activities at work much better. So this is everything that I could say about the creatine so far, but the bonus tip is which creatine should you be able to take. I honestly would suggest that you take Kre-Alkalyn. Why Kre-Alkalyn? Because Kre-Alkalyn is way safer for the stomach. It's going to be absorbed much better. You are 100% not going to have diarrhea after that you might have from normal creatine monohydrate. And it is going to store way less water, between muscles and skin. Therefore, Kre-Alkalyn is my personal favorite. And I would also recommend that you take 5 to 10 grams before workout, 5 to 10 grams after the workout. Another bonus tip that I would like to suggest to you is that you supplement creatine with L-Citrulline and L-Arginine for the pump, and that you put a little bit of Beta-Alanine also with it for even more repetition. It's going to give you huge strength and power. So my perfect ideal stack as bonus tip number 3 would be Kre-Alkalyn 10 grams before the training, L-Arginine and L-Citrulline 10 grams both, so that would be 20 grams, and Beta-Alanine 5 grams also before the workout. That can cause a little bit of itching, but this is nothing serious. It just gives you the feeling that something is actually working, and this is the best thing that you can take if you want to perform naturally or enhanced. There is no way that you won't see the huge difference. So the final conclusion is yes, creatine is a great supplement. Kre-Alkalyn is the best version of it. Stack it properly and see your body change and see your body grow. If you need somebody who will work one-on-one with you, my email is in the description. Send me an email and I will be more than happy to share with you all the knowledge that I have during my competitive bodybuilding years and that I am expanding every day because I love it and I'm planning to do this all the way till I'm alive. Write me in the comment section which creatine is the best for you, what you think about it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because my channel is brand new and this will really help me to grow. Till next time, I wish you all the best. God bless. Bye.